So today I'm going to try to finish up the Alebrije, the foxy cat with bird talons. I have a lot of different things that I'm going to start working on. First thing I'm going to start with is I'm going to start with the foxy tail. Found this reference image that I liked in terms of color, and I'm going to start to paint the tail first as the first starting point. And I'm trying to bring some more cohesion with the colors together, and you'll see different parts as I speed through them in the time-lapse mode. Okay, so I'm about an hour into the final stages of the painting. And so what I'm starting to do is I'm working out some patterns. Started with some patterns on the tail to give it sort of a hairy kind of a feel, inspired by a fox, but definitely moving into something else. And then the jacket, which was sort of more orange, I decided to go more reddish. And then the shapes are going to incorporate more color. I lightened up the hands because I didn't like them. They were a little too orange, and now I find them too peach. So I don't know, somewhere in the middle there, I'm going to find a color. Now I'm going to get into doing some of the claws. And the claws I'm going to do with a little metal piece. So I'm going to use a piece of that aluminum that we used in our embossing project. So I'm cutting little cones, and then I'm taking a pencil and I'm rolling the metal around the pencil, okay, to form a little cone. And so for each nail, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cone over that pencil, see if I can shape it to the way I want it. And I'm going to make it like a claw, so I'm going to kind of bend it down a little bit. So I may have to manipulate that a little bit. And then that's going to fit over top and then be glued in place. Oops, that has, this becomes the bird talons, like the eagle talons. So there's all kinds of materials that you can use to decorate your piece. I did the nails out of aluminum. I'm going to do whiskers for the cat. And so I'm going to be using a needle tool that's in your clay kit. And then these are just pieces of, they're like plastic, could be like fishing line or something of that nature that I have in my classroom. So I'll be using that to insert the whiskers. So the final result of the Alebrije, today I painted the tail, painted the jacket, and I did the triangle design pattern. Inserted pieces of fiber optic or fishing line there for the whiskers, metal pieces of aluminum for the talons, and then a piece of driftwood, which is the cane.